Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to Add Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Affiliate Marketing Companies. So I'm running an affiliate marketing company, and to promote my company I'm using Facebook lead ads. And I wish that as soon as a new lead is received in my Facebook lead ads, automatically the details of that leads should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. To create this connection without knowing any coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So in Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. For trigger, we are going to use Facebook lead ads, and for action, we are using Google Sheets. So if you also want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for an affiliate marketing company. So I'm running an affiliate marketing company named Affiliate Achievers, and I'm running Facebook lead ads to promote my company. And I wish that as soon as a new Facebook lead ad is received, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. For this, we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and our Google Sheets. To create this connection, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, and as you can see that this is the landing page of Pabbly. I opened it by simply searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is so simple. And as you'll open the landing page of Pabbly, you will get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. And now it will open all Pabbly apps. Over here you'll see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting two applications, which is Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. So we are going to click on access now right over here. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation we are going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets automations, and I want to name my workflow as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for affiliate marketing companies. And now we are going to click on create. And as you can see that it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. By this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So now we are going to select our trigger application, which is Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to search for it and select it. And now for the trigger event, we are going to select it as new lead instant because I want that as soon as a new lead is submitted in my Facebook lead ads, instantly the workflow should be triggered. And now we are going to click on connect. And as you can see that it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And now we are going to select our account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. This connection was really easy because we have already logged in our Facebook account. So it is advised to always log in your accounts of your applications before starting with the automation. So now we are going to select the page and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is Affiliate Achievers. So I'm going to select same right over here. And for the lead gen forms, we are going to select lead form, because I want only the details of this form should be added to my Google Sheets. If you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too. After selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now you can see it is saying waiting for a webhook response. Also in the note it is saying now log into your applications where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or a test record. So we have to do a test submission. For this we are going to open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers. Open Meta for Developers. After opening the landing page of Meta for Developers, you have to go on more and then tools. And then we are going to select lead ads RTO debug tool. And you can see that we have opened our lead ads testing tool, and now we are going to select our page and the form. So name of our page is Affiliate Achievers and the name of our form is Lead Form. So I'm going to click on Preview Form. And now it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to enter the demo details as demo user, the email as demo@pabblytudes.com and the demo phone number. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. And yes, you can see it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of our lead to our workflow. So we'll open our workflow and check that if Pabbly has captured the details or not. And yes, you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the details. Here's the full name, the email and the phone number of our lead. So this means that our trigger step is successful, and now we are moving on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select Google Sheets because I want that as soon as a new lead is received, automatically the details of that lead should be added to my Google Sheets too. So I'll select this. And now for the action event, we are going to select Add New Row. And again, we are going to click on Connect. And you can see that again it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Google Sheets account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on Select Existing Connection and then Save. But if you haven't, you have to click on Add a New Connection and then sign in with Google. And then you have to select your Gmail account and it will ask you for some permissions. So you can click on Allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is secure with Pabbly. So I'll also click on Allow. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now you can see it is saying connected. And it is asking me the spreadsheet name and the sheet name. So we are going to open our spreadsheet. And as you can see, the name of our spreadsheet is Facebook Leads and the name of our sheet is Affiliate Marketing. So I'll open my workflow, select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads and the sheet as Affiliate Marketing. And now we are going to map the details like name, email and phone number. Mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. So I'll open the response and over here you can see the full name. So I'm going to map the full name as this, the email as demo@pabblytudes.com and same we are going to do for the phone number too. After mapping all these details, now these details have become dynamic and all these details will change with every new lead form received. So this means that we don't have to come back to our workflow again and again and change these details. These details will change automatically. And now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response that the details of our leads have been added to our Google Sheets too. So we are going to open our Google Sheets and check that if the details has been added or not. And yes, you can see the name demo user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com and the phone number has been added to our Google Sheets too. This means that our workflow is successful. But I'll just test the workflow once again and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So I'll open lead ads testing tool, delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to preview a new form or create a new lead. So again, we are going to select the page as Affiliate Achievers and the form as Lead Form. And again, we are going to click on Preview Form. And as you can see, again, it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to enter the full name as Test User, the email as test@pabblytudes.com and the phone number as this. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on Next and then Submit. And yes, you can see that it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that lead ads testing tool has sent our lead to our workflow. Our workflow was triggered and further Pabbly added the details of our lead to our Google Sheets. So we'll directly open our Google Sheets and check that if the details of our lead have been added to our Google Sheets or not. This time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on Save and Send Test Request. We'll directly open our Google Sheets. And yes, you can see the name test user, email test@pabblytudes.com and the dummy phone number has been added to our Google Sheets too. This means that our workflow is successful. So I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. For our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For our trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow, and then we selected the page and the leads in form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response, so we generated a webhook response for Pabbly to capture. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected Google Sheets. For our action event, we selected Add New Row. We connected our Google Sheets account with our Pabbly's workflow, and then we selected the name of our spreadsheet and the name of our sheet. And then we mapped the details like name, email, and phone number. We mapped these details because we wanted these details to be dynamic. And over here you can see the 2 responses that we received during this video. So if you have any query related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone the workflow and share the workflow link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.